Email marketing. Email marketing is a very important tool. I have to tell you the truth, it's not the most effective for many reasons. If you can recall, when you receive an email from a company external, some of you mentioned TJ Maxx, some of you mentioned Groupon, restaurants, university like Reformed, you receive those emails that are for general public, right? Some of them you open them, some of them you just skip or ignore. Some of them goes to your spam. So yes, email marketing is a difficult tool to use. Why? Because you have to be very engaged with the community that you serve so them can be interested in opening what you have for them. How you collect those emails? You collect those emails generally for your customer, from your customers that you have in your database. How you can get them? In the website. Once you have a website, you can say contact us. You can offer them newsletter. You can offer them blogs. You can offer them discounts. You can offer them information about your products and service. If you provide counseling, for example, you can offer them monthly mental health tips. You name it. As soon as you provide them valuable content, they will be attracted to open this email. Think about if you receive emails in your cell phone, computer, etc. Which ones you open? If there is something that you open, you already told me some points about this before. If you are really interested in the community that is sending you the email, some of you are more used to open those emails. So remember, email was the first way to communicate with in the cyber world, email marketing or digital marketing. But my opinion is one of the hardest tools to make it work because we need to promote the engagement with these users. We need to be very attractive in the content we often. They have to be really interested and engaged with the organization that we have. Remember, this applies for non-profit and for-profit organization. If you have a church, if you are in charge of a foundation, if you are in charge of a project for the communities, for your neighbors, you can use the tools of email marketing to communicate. You have an event coming up, you have discounts coming up, you are launching a new online store or retail proposal that you have, you name it, discounts, promotions, and the most important, valuable content to your users. You are ready, almost ready to think about email marketing as a tool for your business, your project, or the companies that you work. Remember, it's very important to have the list of your customers, the list of emails of your customers or your prospect. If you don't have a web page where you are collecting this email address, or you don't have an online shop where you are obtaining their emails, such as Shopify, such Etsy, etc., or a designated web page to collect their emails, my recommendation is once you are speaking with your prospective, let's say that you have a posting, that you are paying for promotion, and you are taking your customers, take them to WhatsApp. Take them to WhatsApp. And my advice to all of you, like always, download your WhatsApp business. Like you can see here, WhatsApp business is a great tool where you can take your customers there, create your catalog, and obtain their emails, for example. So once we have their emails in Excel database, you can collect those manually if you don't have other ways to collect it. But once you have emails, as soon as you have one email, you can start with this tool. The tool that I will show you is a tool that it's zero payment. You don't need to pay. Of course, they have offers for payment, and they offer you more tools when you pay. But my goal for with you today is that you know the tool, is that you know that it's there, and you can implement this in your project, in your business, organizations, non-profit, for-profit projects, for your community, your church or temple, and also for your business to be engaged with the community and also to promote the exchange. You give to them information, valuable experience, and also you will get from them resources, support, engagement, community, loyalty, and customers and individuals that are interested in what you have to offer to them. That's why email marketing is a tool that we need to explore, we need to know, we need to understand their benefits, and we need to know how to make it happen, how to make it work in order to use it for your project. So let's do it. Let's do it together like always. I will show you from zero how it works. That's my goal with you. And I want to show you from zero, and I want to show you like I don't have any account or anything else, so you can see how the process works from scratch. Some of you already have your account because we have been working with this. Some of you already created. It's fine, but I'm going to start from zero in order to help the most amount of students. So I'm sharing my screen with you, and I'm going to visit, I will visit now www.mailchimp.com. So mailchimp.com. Enter. Once I am here in mailchimp.com, I will sign up from zero. Okay, some of you have your account, so don't worry about it. I will follow this process in this way. I'm gonna say sign up free. I'm choosing the last option, and it says business email. You will tell me, I don't have any business email. Don't worry about it. You will use your email. I am showing you. Here we go. So I will use my Gmail, right? I'm going to use my Gmail so you can see what I'm doing. And it's going to be alejascraft@gmail.com, okay? That's what I will use. I have a personal email, bielcanatalia@gmail.com. I used it before, but I want to start from zero today, so I will use another email, okay? If you don't want to put your personal email here for your mental health because you don't want to receive any email about MailChimp, you can put an email that you create, but you can put an email from your children, from your wife, husband, friend, etc. But make sure you have access to that email, or they have access, because MailChimp will send an email to that account to activate MailChimp. So you cannot be creative and put any email because you won't be able to activate your MailChimp.com account. So put an email that you have control, that you have access, and you can activate the account in your cell phone. I'm using my computer at the same time. I'm using my cell phone. Some of you have tablets, you change one tab to another, or you're doing your phone. My advice is better to do in computer or tablet, but if you don't have choice, you can do it in your phone if there is no choice. So I'm going to put my business email, which is a Gmail. Any kind of Gmail, Hotmail, or whatever you want, you can put it here, okay? But make sure you have access to this. And for the password, my advice, choose a password that you don't forget, a password that it's easy for you to remember. Sign up. Now I'm signing up. with a new email from scratch. Now is the time when I receive it from my phone. I already received it, okay? So I'm gonna click on activate account. Activate account, and I will open in Safari. Okay, you cannot see. I don't think you can see because the phone will be so bright and won't let you see. I'm gonna click here in save. I'm gonna save my password in this website. And now I am ready to use MailChimp because I receive an email. I click on the email and maybe let's see if I can do it from here. Now I'm done. Yeah, no, it's not gonna work with this one because that's not the email I'm using. Okay, and let's do it again. So probably I will do it here. Okay, I'm doing everything with you. I'm writing the phone in my Gmail. I want to do it in my Gmail so you can see what I'm doing, okay? That's why. Let me see if I can do this with my Gmail. Okay. Maybe I have to do it from here. Oh, I know what is going on. I know what is going on. Here, I have my email. Now you will be able to see. Now you are looking. So now receive mail client service. This is for email chimp, okay? I am receiving a lot of notification here. Activate account. You see what I'm doing? I'm activating my account. This is the email I received from MailChimp to register my account. And because I have this account already, I won't use it because I create my account, okay? That you see what I did. And so I will do it with my account. I'm just typing the same user and password that I already create, okay? I'm using the same email and password that I already create in MailChimp. And now I will be able to log in as the user with the user I create. Now the next step is the app will ask you, what is your first name? I will put my first name here and my last name here, and my business name here. If you say, Bielka, I don't have any business name, you create in this moment a name for your project that you will love to share with the community. Some of you already have your name. You can use your own name to give name to your business. Think about something that you really like, that you really enjoy to create, and something that you wanna do in the future. Some of you are interested in the healthcare, beauty, fashion, jewelry, construction. Or I have engineers, I have electricians, I also have people working with renovation in residency or commercial. Use those projects that you have in your head to create your email. So now I am putting my phone number. See, you see my number here. And I consent to receive. I don't need to click on this. And then I hit on next. Next. Okay, I'm putting my phone number and I hit on next. It's not gonna cause any situation for you. The address is optional. You don't have to put your address. So if you want to, use it, you can. If not, it's, I know, this is the second line. Sorry. So look, I am using my address here. And so I put it there, okay? If you feel uncomfortable with your address, you can use the same address that I'm using for this one. Okay, now I hit on next. Now, I want to do drive sales, send emails, or grow my list of email subscribers. You choose one option, but if you don't, you can skip, okay? So I'm gonna do this second one, and I'm gonna hit next. If you don't wanna choose any of this, just skip, okay? Now, in this is asking, great, what do you want to explore first? Let me see if this is working because I'm receiving something here and I want to make sure, yes, it's working. Okay. We still on MailChimp, okay, people? MailChimp. One moment, please. Okay. Now I will choose email. Okay. I'm going to choose email, the first option. You can skip or just choose something. Okay. What you want to do. Select your contact range because my contact range is small. For now, I'm going to hit 0 to 500 and next. Now, how do you sell to your customer? The application is asking me. So I will say social media. You can choose person to person. You can choose online marketplace. You can choose your own website, anything you want, or you are not currently selling. Okay, whatever you want. If you are not currently selling, do this. Enter your website URL. If you don't have URL, you can keep going. You can hit skip or next. I have URL, so I will do it. But again and again, if you don't have any, you can hit skip. Remember that all of you create wix.com URL with me in the classes, so you can copy and paste your website from Wix that you already create, or the website that you already create in beacons.com that we did in the courses. So you can copy and paste that and put it there. If not, just skip, okay? Now I hit on next, and now I will just click on free option, okay? Got it. I'm gonna hit on got it, and I'm gonna click this X because it's not letting me work, and I'm gonna click X here because it's not letting me work either. These ones too. Okay, now continue free. If you go down, 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 see now the machine is offering you some options in account setup. Account setup. Now, what the option I will choose is the one that says free 0 month. Okay, continue free. See in my screen, I'm choosing the last one. Continue free. Okay, I click on that. It's saying preparing your account, styling your custom design, personalizing your setup, and generating recommendations. Now we started from 0. We created an account in MailChimp.com. And the question is how I can create an email that I can send to my community. Okay, I'm gonna hit create in the pencil below the chimp, the little chimp here that you see, very friendly. Click on create, and now I will choose a template, okay? Template for my email. I will do design email. The first option says regular email, design email. Use our email builder to launch a campaign in minutes. I will hit design email. Now I am almost ready to create my email campaign, okay? So how I will do this? How I will do? So to Who are you sending these emails at? Recipients. We don't have content yet, don't worry, we're gonna get there, okay? I will leave this step for now, okay? Let's do create, like I already did. I choose a template, see what I'm doing, design email, I'm clicking on that. And then, look at this, but I'm going to start with the content design email because the content, remember, is something very important, right? Without content, there is no campaign. So let's choose content. Now, a lot of you are choosing this one. So I'm going to do this like you, apply. And also, I'm going to hit got it. I will select a logo for this one, okay? So I'm gonna be a little creative now. Now you are in your email. Now you already, for the ones that have to send this assignment, practically, you are practically done because this is one of the purpose with this assignment, that you know how to create your account and you know how to start doing your email. So let's do this. I'm gonna put that logo. I will choose this one because it's a picture of you, of the classroom. So I'm gonna choose this as a logo. Imagine that this is a logo. Remember, now it's creativity. Now it's your own design, your own minds running with this. I am setting logo, so that's why the computer is making me wait. Upload your logo, once will apply automatically. Now I'm waiting for this, okay? That's why I'm here a little stuck. Add button text, I can do a button text, okay? So for example here, I can put click to see new arrives, okay? Remember, click also making that our customer is interested in us is very important. So with the call to action, okay? So I will put this website because I already have this website created. For the ones that have a store or something like that, you can copy and paste this one here. You can choose center, and you can choose shape or peel or whatever you consider. You can put it bigger, bigger border or smaller. Now, remember, creativity all the time. So now, our products are the best quality. I am just click on the blog, back on the blog of this. I'm putting text, okay? That's why I'm kind of distracted here. The best way to actually, I'm gonna say our workshops are the best way to learn and to learn new abilities, new skills, okay? This is me. I'm gonna use a selling argument. You will use the arguments that you consider are the best, of course. You will do, remember all the time, being open to call to action. Call to action, people. Call to action, because without call to action, we won't be able to impact our users. Okay, so call to action is fundamental to make this happen. I am moving to the left a little bit, okay? That's why you see me here putting the bigger space, putting some bold here. I can change I can change my font. And here I can add images to my email, massive email, okay? So here I'm adding just a picture and I click on upload and it's here. I hope it's already done. upload. Let's see. Now remember, creativity, okay? It's creativity. I think it's already done. I'm just trying to do it. Import. Okay, my files. Now I will be able. Okay. It's not ready yet. It's not ready yet. Here I have to change this. Resolve. I have to resolve this before everything works, okay? So now my pictures must be heavy. That's why. Okay. I want to add email here. I'm browsing something here. Add files. Now let's go back. All creativity here. And no, don't yet. I just want to edit. I want to work with this real quick here, just to give you a better design, better design. Choose the schedule that fits for you. Okay, so now we put what we want to communicate. I want to change this maybe a little, a little bit of design here. So now I hit and done. Okay. Now I hit on this. I am creating something here. Adding bottom. Now I'm gonna click on this and I'm gonna put choose. It's gonna be here. 1 second. So now is the time when you create, okay? Set logo. I already did this, but it was too heavy. I think that's the reason. Yeah, I was putting a heavy picture, so that's why first time we did it didn't work. So now let me add something more. Let me see. I click on browse, but now I click on upload to make it easier. Let's see. Open. The files, yeah, the files I am trying to upload, I think they are so heavy. So that's the reason why it's not being able to add, okay? But I add this image, which is less heavy, and I can change this logo too for another picture. So if I, for example, put workshops, I'm gonna find an image that I can add, image, and oh, this is awesome. It's an example, okay? You will choose what you think is valuable for you. So I click workshop here, logo, okay? It's an example, logo here. And now, you know what I will do? I will keep this and I'm gonna add the logo picture. I like this better. So I'm gonna click on browse because I already put this one. It's not appearing, but I'm gonna upload one of my workshop picture, okay? Is here, the one that is the logo name, and I will upload this picture. Now I'm able to put it, okay? So now I have my logo in the top and I have my workshop here. And also here, I want to change this a little bit. And I want to put choose your Choose the time for your workshop. Choose the time for your workshop experience. Maybe you will recommend me better close, better copy for this, okay? Here, I'm gonna change this too, okay? Choose your workshop time, family or individual. This is me creating a copy in 1 second, okay? But maybe you will have better ideas for that. So now I am choosing this message, but I can put it Verdana. I like this kind of, I like this kind of design. And I also put the bigger font. I can, I can do italic, not recommendable doing italic now, right? And I put some link here, but look at this. I can put my link for Facebook. So if I have my Facebook, I can go, it's an example, okay? Now I'm logging in, this Facebook is not the one I'm logging. So if I log in, I can copy my Facebook page, okay? And you can put it there in your campaign. Here, just put your link and you are able to do it. Okay, I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna show you because I want that you see everything. So let's see if I can show you. I'm gonna log in Facebook, okay? I'm gonna log in Facebook. For best results, I'm gonna do my own Facebook that I have here already. Look, I click. So I already did this work about the Facebook. I just copy and I'm gonna go to Microsoft Edge and I'm gonna copy and paste my Facebook here. Okay, it's because I have it. The same works with you. When you have your Instagram, your Facebook, you can copy to your personal Instagram or Facebook. Don't be scared because nobody will see this until you send to their email. Remember, okay? So nobody will see this campaign that you are building until you send to somebody. So that's why you don't have to be scared about doing this. Let me show you my Instagram too, because I have it here. It's easy for me to get to this, okay? I have it here, and I just copy and paste. Look what I'm doing. So Control C, and then I'm going to my builder in MailChimp, and I copy and paste, okay? So that's more or less the way that you create your campaign, but it's not done. You see, I have some picture here. I can delete or I can add something. So look, if I have my real workshop picture, I can use it too. And I can put workshop with person. So in this case, remember that you can choose the pictures of your products or service that you provide. For example, my ones that are in fashion, they have their dresses, the jewelry, all of these options. You can do it here. Okay. Here I have workshops for people. So I'm gonna do this one because remind me my real workshop. So save image as, and I'm gonna put in desktop, and I'm gonna do workshop. Okay, desktop, save. And here I will add browse image. I'm gonna click on upload, I'm sorry. So now, if I click on desktop, remember that I put workshop, I hit on this, open, and now the picture is uploading on my data of my bank of picture, okay? So now I have my workshop, and choose your workshop time, family or individual. I have this. I'm gonna do dynamic. Let me see this. I already did. I put this part here. Okay, I click on that. I can move it a little bit if I want. Here, I think I move. Okay, choose the time for your workshop. Our workshop, the best way to learn new skills. And here, I can change this information. I think I do here. I put 2023, which is the year. Company will be Aleyas Painter. Maybe I have to say, well, I register like craft, so I'm gonna do it like this. List description, our mailing address, list address. So here, our email address is, I'm gonna put my email address, alejascraft@gmail.com. Okay, so now I am able to modify all of this. I wanted to, let me see if I can do something here. Blog background. I want to do something a little bit different. Let me see. A little. Done. I hit on done. You see, I changed this color in the back, and I am able to do this one too. So you see now you have your creativity in your hand. I know it's not easy. It's not easy at all to create a good one, but it's the way we start. Okay. So now we have this. We can change the background a little bit. Let's do this way. I am clicking on background, change the color, okay? I'm gonna try to do a little tone like this. So, to make it different, right? So now we have something. This is the assignment. You are done. So once you create this, you are done. You can take a picture with your phone and upload. And put it on the lesson that belongs to email marketing. But we're going to keep working a little bit more because I want that you learn how to send it to everybody. So look at this. This is the way it's going to look, okay? Once you have this, you have your email created. Remember, you can take a picture and put it in the assignment. Mobile marketing class. So we are looking how it's gonna look in mobile. Of course, needs work. You notice needs a little bit more design, but it's a start. So let's keep going. Real quick. Here, I'm gonna be out of this. And now I'm not done yet. We have to work a little bit more, okay? Add subject. What is the subject? Click on my workshops here. New workshops. Let's say September, new workshops. I'm thinking about this, how to make it more attractive. New workshops and daycare. I'm gonna put daycare because it's very attractive for parents. Okay, so preview text. My daycare, no. I'm thinking a little bit here, okay? Are available here. So now I'm not done. I need to do a little bit more. Okay, I'm gonna click on save just to make sure I don't lose this. And also, I have my subject. Now, who is sending this email? So I'm gonna put my name. I'm gonna put a lady workshops. workshops experience. And also my email, I'm gonna use the one I'm using for that. You have to put an email that you have, it's fine. And I'm gonna click on save, okay? Now, the most important that I don't want you forget, how we can send it, how we can send it. I have two ways to send it. First, send a test email. You see on the corner here, send a test email. I can send me to myself. I can send, also send to the following account user. I'm gonna send to Yelka Natalia Gmail, alegiascraft@gmail.com. So those are my own emails because this is how it's gonna look. Send test. Now I did something wrong because I need to put comma here. Okay, people, comma. I think that's what I did. Yes. So you see, I sent that test to my own email. And I'm going to show you that I received it in 1 second. I already did. I can send another test email. Look at the screen, Alleged workshop and experience. So you see, I use all caps lock. Maybe we have to fix that part, okay? Maybe we have to make it less aggressive. And this is how it's gonna look when I send a test. I hope you can see it in your screen. You can send to yourself and notice how it works, okay? So collect the email of your customer is very, very important, because with this, you can get those kind of work and provide them your products and service that you have. But let's go to the most interesting part, how I can send it in real life, how I can send it to my real customer of my product, of my service, my real users of my organization, non-profit or for-profit, how I can send to them. Okay, easy. If we open Excel, I'm gonna open Excel, and I have a folder already called customer. Okay, so here I have a little trouble with Excel. So let's do my customer list. In the column 1, I open Excel, okay? I open Excel. You're gonna do this with me. We are gonna send to the real customer. So I'm gonna do my email. I don't have email for this customer, so I will use the emails I know, okay? yelkanatalia@gmail.com. Let's imagine we have our customer's email, okay? So in my first column, I will open Solvit so I can put all my customer. Imagine that we already have the email of the customer. So that's one of them. Second email, I'm gonna use a format. No, I'm making a mistake. You see? alejascraft@gmail. At gmail.com. Actually, it's craft with S at gmail.com. Okay, we're gonna send two emails that we can see that they exist. They belong to us in this case. If you have a real database of customer, I can do it, for example, with the jewelry. I have customer of jewelry. My customer that buy in my handmade shop, I can use them too. And I can send them. So, but I'm going to do it with this. So, alejascraft@gmail.com, and I'm going to use Bielka Santos at unif.edu. So this is my customer's email. I'm gonna put it on desktop and I'm gonna say customers today. I'm gonna put the word today so I don't forget. It's on desktop. I hit on save. Okay. It's an Excel file. Let's go to look at this part in the email. It says to who you are sending this email to. At recipient, import contacts, import contacts. And now I will upload the file Okay, I can copy and paste. Look, I'm gonna copy and paste so you can do both. I'm gonna show you everything. Control C. Control C, I'm gonna copy. And look at this. I'm gonna copy and paste first so you can see continue and paste your contact information. Control V. You see, now I have my customer here. Continue to organize. Now select status subscriber. Okay, update any existing contact, not necessary because I don't have. Continue to tag. I'm gonna create a tag customer, then 2023 and customer, it's fine. Continue to match. Match column labels to contact information. That's the amount of customers I have. Finalize import. And 3 contacts with audience to email to alleged audience. Complete import. Now, once I complete import, your import was successful. Return to campaign creation. And now I can send this to my customer. Audience import complete. Now I will send my email to my subscriber. Send. I already texted. Of course, I already created, design, test my email, and now I'm ready to send to my real database of customer. Send now. Now I'm sending to my real customer, so you have to make sure you have a good product and you can do this to your customers. You can send this to your client, okay? Here, I already sent it, okay? I already sent it. I'm just waiting to receive my campaign. So your emails is out there. Another job well done, okay? Now it's sent to the real customer. I haven't received it yet. I haven't received it. I'm just waiting here to see if we receive it. Okay, I already sent to my reformed email, supposing that this is one of my customers. I am here in all inboxes. Let me go to my reformed email. Maybe it's there. Or to my other email. I am still waiting. I already have my test, which is okay. Okay, so the good thing is that you can see the statistic, the analytic, how many people receive it, how many people open. You can see all the information here. Look at this analytics. Okay, good to know. Custom reports. Now you can create custom. Oh, my session expired. My session expired, so that's why. Take me out. But anyway, yeah, I was here in the, my session is expired. So now you see, I am seeing my statistic. It's nothing there. It's nothing there, but that's how you will see how many people open, how many people click, how many people unsubscribe, etc., etc. So this is the good thing to have and create your email campaigns. We did the campaign from zero since we created the account until we send to all our customers. This is a free tool that you can use, that you can implement, start to practice with your friends, with your customer, with the people interested in your projects. Actually, we already received our massive email. So now you are experts. You can create your own campaigns massive, like all the stores do, like JCPenney's do, like TJ Maxx do, your university do. You can create your own campaigns using MailChimp tool, $0 to start, and you can keep growing from there. Keep going, do the best that you can, keep being so brilliant, and do your effort to make this happen, okay? Have a beautiful rest of the day.